All right, so as most of you should already know, my name is Yusuf Scott. I'm the guy behind the Passive Income Scott YouTube channel. I'm also the guy behind the one and only So Darn Easy Forex University, where I've single-handedly trained thousands of folks from all across the entire world to trade on these Forex markets. Now listen, if you're watching this video right now and you're not yet subscribed to this channel, click on that subscribe button at the bottom and make sure you also follow us on social media because we're on Facebook and Instagram as well. Now listen, I've had someone reach out to me in regards to VidiLook, and they wanted to know basically what type of changes. Actually, one of my teammates, so I'll call it someone who's underneath me, reached out to me and wanted to know what were some of the changes that could possibly be expected. I did reach out to my upline leader, and I did speak with him about some of the concerns that I've had. All right, or that I have, and I'll tell you guys my concerns. So, you know, one of my concerns is the fact that, you know, the fact that if you were building, okay, and when you go over to the live version, if you had some folks who came in at 4-star, you know, 3-star, whatever, to only get $50 for someone who may have paid $1,500 or $500 for their package, I don't think that makes sense. Okay, I think that you know, that in itself is a slap in the face. Another thing is, I believe that, like myself, there are a ton of builders within VidiLook. You know, just like I tell everyone that have joined underneath me, it makes sense that you build. All right? There's nothing wrong with having something passive. There's nothing wrong with it. Listen, I go for passive opportunities. But when there's another opportunity that's far grand that will allow you to, you know, there to be no limits, no cap on the profit that you make, exercise it. Take advantage of it. So being a builder with a generous compensation plan, it just made sense, okay? So if you were a builder like me and you're bringing in a number of people and their volume isn't being transferred over, I take issue with that, all right? I take issue with that, especially if the volume that you're giving me per person, whether they had a $1,500 pack, $500, $150, or $50, I'm only getting compensation of $50 per person. I don't like that. Okay, so these are just some of the issues that I brought to my upline leader, and I let him know. Listen, I think that, you know, there needs to be further negotiation, you know, around these areas, because you see, we have a great opportunity, and there's no reason for us to have such a great opportunity and then pull the rug from underneath us, boom, and now we're stuck with, yo, it's gonna take us forever. You know, not to say that we can't get used to some adjustments, and some adjustments are fine, but when you have, it's a way that you go about doing things, it's a way that you adjust, and you know, and we can learn to compromise, but it's how you do it it shouldn't be one-sided. All right, you can't make an adjustment and make it so that it only benefits you. All right, we have to make adjustments where, okay, we're the ones building the company. We're building the company, and we're building the opportunity. We're allowing you to be able to do so much and look beyond VidiLook, and of course look into other opportunities that you can bring to us to allow us all to amass even more profit. You know, and it's not just us, it's Sam Lee, it's anyone else who's in that space in that managerial space. All right, whether CEO, COO, whatever, CFO, whoever you want to be, whatever title you want to have, we have to have, because we're the builders, we have to have a voice. We have to have, it has to make sense. And of course, at the end of the day, it can't just make sense to us. It also has to appeal to those who are on the outside looking in. Okay, so with that, I feel like, yeah, we we, you know, some of these concerns need to be ironed out and addressed, and we have to come up with some type of resolution to it. We have to do it fast. So, so let's like I said before in the previous video, let's be patient and let them build, you know, some type of a plan so that we can know which way we're going as we move forward. And then if for whatever reason, if it doesn't work out where, you know what, this isn't working for me, we realize how we can make the proper adjustments to, you know, do something different. So keep your focus, keep your faith, be patient, and you know, allow them to work these things out. VidiLook wasn't built in one day, and so because of this adjustment, we have to give them time so that they can work things out. All right. Listen, just as I tell you guys all the time, have nothing short of a fantastic day. Remember, stay healthy, stay safe. As always, remember to stay creative in the times we live in. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.